Molweni ndiyanamkela nonke kwezitshisa the-entertainment bafowethu kumanzi phansi ziyamkhalela laphayana ke umsakazi woKhozi FM ezinkundleni zokuxhumana Twitter and ku-TikTok. Angaboni ke ku-Facebook, angaboni lutho bengakangeni ku-Facebook, but ku-Twitter utrenda unumber 3 currently, and on TikTok uthi nje umuthi nje ZimDollar Mthandeni. So bayamnapha abalandeli bakamthandeni left, right and center emveni kokuthi decide ukuthi aphuce i-microphone kumthandeni stage bafowethu, ethi nje uyaqala ukucula wafika uZimDollar aphuca i-mic wabese wathi fuseke. Ngicela sibukeni le video bese siqhubelekeni nenkulumo
bafowethu. Siphelile etha basho njalo abatheli bomcimbi
bafowethu. So uZimDollar uzamile ke ukuzihlangula ukucisha umlilo, but ngiyabona ukuthi umlilo lona awungeke uze ucisheke ngoba abantu abaningi bathi wena ZimDollar njalo uyadelela ngoba uyazi vele ukuthi umndeni wakho uzokulelwa and nina niyazazi ukuthi nilwa ngani as umndeni walapho kini. So the reason as to why uhlezi njalo ubadelela abantu is because wena uyazi ukuthi you have people that are going to support you. Abanye bathi indoda nje akukhulunywa kanje nje akaze, noma indoda ingaba rongo kanjani kodwa indoda awuyihlambalazi phambi kwabantu, especially uze uthi fuseki. Yabona lelo gama nje, you are provoking him. Mhlazane nje umthandeni wa decide ukwenza something to you as umphakathi ngeke size singene because indoda ayithukwa nhlobo. Nayi ke ivideo la uZimDollar ezama ukucisha umlilo.
Ngokuhlonipha umsebenzi asuke unyikiwe kodwa mina bese kusekisa ngoba mina ngaphela mina ufuseka. Umthandeni wanikeza isikhathi sokuperforma esu7 wafika umthandeni kungoba 9 njengoba esefike late sekuze kwaqala iTalk Day ngeke sakwazi asikwazi ukuvala ngayo ngoba unosingaye ngoba uyena umuntu ozowina ikhontamu namhlanje ukhokhelo njalo njengoba engawufakela ipost yakhe njengoba ngoba sesikhathi sesimshayile siyamcela ukuthi akakhululeke ngoba ngeke sakwazi ukuthi aperforme namhlanje ngoba akakwazi ukungena phakathi kweTalk Day. Wathobeka umthandeni wazeza umuntu ozwayo fanele bahamba abantu bebethunyelwe kuyena, waphuma ngale ngemva kwestage washomana nabangani bakhe basusa uDJ bafaka owabo wangena estage ngoba kubuka engathi ngixoshwe sevanelisi bengakaperform umthandeni besashaya usimulukhe wakhe. Mangifika mina ngicisha isound wafika wasethena asephelile ama-minutes bengakaperform, hayi ukuthi besevanelisi bengakaperform. So yingakho kwenzeke lento eyenzekile. Angikwazi ukunakelisa umuntu ebed, ungabukelisa umuntu engawuhlonisi umsebenzi. Lo mcimbi mkhulu lalela phela bona sizophinde sikwazi ukusebenzisana kahle nawe ngesinye isikhathi. So mina angithandi umuntu ongahloniphi umsebenzi.
So ke guys, ilokho ke okwenzekile lapha ku-Mother of All Maskandi Festival, and honestly speaking, not because mhlampe uZim is a woman and ngiyamfavorisha or whatever the case is, but guys, ebe rongo umthandeni 100% ebe rongo. I mean utsheliwe wancengwa, like they begged you ukuthi ungayi estage, but when you forcefully went on stage, yes, she might have been wrong for saying amagama athi futheke emuntwini obaba wekhaya, understand that. And I did see abanye abantu, they even went as far as saying udismissa lo emsebenzini, you are unprofessional besho kuZim. But I don't think she's going to get any warning or be dismissed laphayana kuKhozi FM, because naye ke at the end of the day umthandeni was wrong, uceniwe abantu abaningi. So I'm just going to go over ama comments of the fans. Angizowafunda kakhulu ama comments ka Mthandeni because guys, are you for real? Shame. So one person is saying that fusek directed to a man in public is a provocation of sort, and she is basically saying uzongenzani. Omunye ke akhulumele icala lazim athi ke umthandeni is arrogant, disrespectful, and it's not the first time he doesn't listen to event managers, MCs in an event. It's unfortunate ukuthi uZimDollar had to swear at him even at the IFP manifesto launch at Mabida. Mthandeni told Uchata, who was the MC, to sit down when he was told ukuthi isikhathi sakhe sesiphelile kumele aphume on stage. Another one basically came forward saying that ZimDollar is acting ngalendlela merely because she knows that no one can touch her. Her family has a big and many guns. She always brags about it. Wamlungisa ke omunye ogcine ngizomthatha guys othi ke you are being malicious because she clearly explained that this man was late and they informed him on time that he couldn't perform as his slot has passed on. He then acted like he understood and went behind their back to get on stage before it too, irrespective of the fact that utsheliwe omunye ke osecaleni likaZim uthi abalandeli bakamthandeni bayafana naba-ANC abayiboni into ebhedayo. So I think guys sonke siyabona ukuthi uMthandeni in this case he was wrong. I mean, yes, naye uZim, she was wrong for ukuthuka umuntu wesilisa or just umuntu nje esemsebenzini. She was wrong, but uMthandeni was more wronger in this case. And guys, ngicela ukuthi si-end le video on a good note. Ngicela si-congratulate-eni uGatyeni ekuyena ke owinile iquantum laphayana ke kwi-Mother of All Maskandi Festival. He walked away ne-quantum laphayana, bamnikezile ke izikhiya, and a lot of people are really happy ukuthi wow, naze naneqiniso ke lapho eThekwini kwi-Mother of All Maskandi Festival. If bekuKhozi FM, once again this thing is going back to Khozi FM, probably uKhuzani was going to walk away with it. uGatyeni 100% deserves kade sewudlala umculo wakhe. He's so good, nema performances akhe uyawahlonipha, umuntu nje ohlonipha kakhulu umsebenzi wakhe bafethu. So ilokho ke enginiphathele ona this hour. What are your thoughts guys? Ngiyacela si-engage it down on the comments, ningilike le video and ngizonibona on my next. Bye.